Hey guys, just to let you know what I'm up to, I'm actually thinking about building an alternate build for the LEGO Ninjago Fire Mech. Now, I'm going to use the leg assembly here. I've actually stripped away some of the pieces on the side because I want them to be a little bit thinner. And I've gone ahead and changed the foot into something that looks a little bit more like a talon. So we've got two sort of toes out the front here. And we'll just pop this on here and we'll just see how it actually works. Pop the second one on like that. And there we go. So they're fully functional and they'll move like a normal mech's foot does. So it's going to be pretty cool. Now I need to go ahead and build the rest of the mech. So any ideas on what I'm actually building here? Let me know in the comments below. But I'll keep building and hopefully I'll come up with something in the next couple of days. So until next time, it's bye for now.